व्रजेश्वरः शौरिवचो निशम्य समाव्रजन्नध्वनिभीतचेताः निष्पिष्टनिःशेषतरुं निरीक्ष्य कञ्चित्पदार्थं शरणं गतस्त्वाम् निशम्य गोपीवचनादुदन्तम् सर्वेऽपि गोपा भयविस्मयान्धाः त्वत्पातितं घोरपिशाचदेहं देहुर्विदूरेथ कुटारकृत्तम् त्वत्पीतपूतस्तनतच्छरीरात् समुच्चलन्नुच्चतरो हि धूमः शङ्कामधादागरवः किमेष किं चान्दनो गौगुलवो घीधवेति मदङ्गसङ्गस्य फलं न दूरे क्षणेन तावत् भवतामपि स्यात् इत्युल्लपन् वल्लवतल्लजेभ्यस्त्वं पूतनामातनुधा सुगन्धिम् चित्रं पिशाच्चानहतः कुमारश्चित्रं पुरैवाकधिशौरिणेदम् इति प्रशंसन् किल गोपलोको भवन्मुखालोकरसेऽन्यमांक्षीत् दिने दिनेऽथ प्रतिवृद्धलक्ष्मी रक्षीणमाङ्गल्यशतो व्रजोऽयम् भवन्निवासादय वासुदेव प्रमोदसान्द्रः परितो विरेजे गृहेषु ते कोमलरूपहासमिधः कथासङ्कुलिताः कमन्यः वृत्तेषु कृत्येषु भवन्निरीक्षा समागताः प्रत्यहमत्यनन्दन् अहो कुमारो मयि तत्तदृष्टिः स्मितं कृतं मां प्रतिवत्सकेन येह्येहि मामित्युपसार्य पाणिं त्वयीश किं किं न कृतं वधूभिः भवद्वपुस्पर्शनकौतुकेन करात् करं गोपवधूजनेन नीतस्त्वमाताम्रसरोजमाला व्यालम्बलोलम्बतुलामलासीः निपाययन्ती स्तनमङ्कगं त्वां विलोकयन्ती वदनं हसन्ती दशां यशोदा कतमां न भेजे सतादृशः पाहि हरे गदान्माम् दशां यशोदा कतमां न भेजे सतादृशः पाहि हरे गदान्माम्। శ్రీమన్నారాయణీయం దశకం 41 గోపికల ఆనందహేళ ద క్రమేషన్ ఆఫ్ పూతన and happiness in play of Krishna. The scariness created by Putana's death, her being given salvation by the god, and childhood pranks of the baby Krishna are described in this Dashakam. After having heard all that was told by Vasudeva, while Nandagopa was returning, internally scared, saw something that has uprooted several trees, and sought your refuge and surrendered to you. All the Gopas, after hearing the news from the Gopis, became scared, wonderstruck, and became at a loss, and chopped the huge, fearsome body felled by you into pieces, and took them to distance and burnt it. The smoke arising from the body, which was purified by your drinking milk from her breasts, rose to very great heights, and created a doubt among everybody that the smoke was a result of burning a sandal or agaru or gugulu trees. You imparted fragrance to the body of Putana, and it looked like that you were loudly saying to the wise cowherds, "Are you able to see the effect of contact with my body? And this is not far off for you, as all will get it soon." The Gopas were drowned in joy by seeing your face, and were telling to each other, "Wonder of wonders! This devil did not kill the baby, and it is also a wonder that the foretelling of Vasudeva about the baby became true." O son of Vasudeva, due to your living there, the Vrajadesha day by day became more and more prosperous, and possessed many good things which will never get spoiled, and provided full of boundless divine joy to the people. The Gopis became very busy in talking with each other in their homes about your pretty form and bewitching smile, and after completion of all their duties came to see you every day, and enjoyed by being able to see you. O God, with stretched arms to lift you, the Gopis prattled, "O little Chudub, are you not seeing me alone? Hey all, do you not see that baby is smiling only at me? And hey baby, please come to me. Please come only to me." You resembled a bee going from one red lotus to other, when with an aim to caress your flower-like body, and to enjoy the pleasure of your soft touch, the Gopis passed you between them endlessly. When putting you in her lap and while feeding you, Yashoda used to get immersed in the beauty of your smiling face, and was transported to an immeasurable state of real joy. And O God, Hari, you who are like that, save me from this disease.